Hello and welcome to the video. Here, I will explain what bills are and how they become laws at Youth Assembly. First, we need to know what a bill is. A bill is a draft of a proposed law that is presented to the legislature for discussion. All laws that passed Youth Assembly started out as bills. An important word in the definition is draft. Remember that any bill that is submitted serves as a first draft, and it can be changed through amendments. The only portion that cannot be amended is the purpose. So it is important that it represents the central idea of the bill. Now that we know what a bill is, how does it move from a bill to a law? All bills start as an idea from a student at Youth Assembly. These can come from anywhere: research, personal experience, or input from family and friends. Once the idea is clear, the bill can be written down in a way that clearly outlines the purpose and changes the bill will make. Now it is ready for debate at Youth Assembly. Legislative members will either be in the House of Representatives or the Senate, and their bill starts in the same chamber as them. For this video, we will start in the House, but know that if a Senate member proposes a bill, the chambers will be reversed. The bill is first introduced in committee. Committees are smaller groups within the House or Senate that hear issues on specific topics like education, transportation, or the environment. All bills are sorted into committees. Committees can amend a bill and then pass or fail the document. If at any point the bill does not pass, the bill is lost and not debated again, except for a few special cases of reconsideration. If the bill passes committee, it moves on to the House of Representatives with any changes made in the committee. Next, the new, changed proposal is read and debated in the House. More amendments can be added before the bill is voted on. After debate, the body will vote on the bill. If it passes, the bill must now cross chambers. So for us, the bill, with all its amendments, must go to the Senate. In the Senate, the process starts over with committee. The bill is subject to any amendments and a vote in the Senate committee. If it passes, it is introduced and debated on the Senate floor. Just like the House, amendments can be added and the body decides whether the bill passes. If the bill passes the Senate and the House, it moves on to the Youth Governor. At Youth Assembly, the Youth Governor has the final say on a bill. The Governor can hear advice from justices on the bill's constitutionality and ultimately decides to veto the bill, failing it, or sign it into law at the closing ceremony. Now, the path is over and the bill has gone from just an idea to a Youth Assembly law.